Hello everyone, this is Venkat Kotta, IIT NEET Senior Faculty. I have 18 years experience. Students, today we are going to discuss Newton's laws of motion. What is Newton's first law and its application? First of all, the types of forces. What type of forces are there? So here, two types of forces are there in nature. One is contact force, another one is non-contact force. Types of forces, here contact forces, non-contact forces. What is the example of contact force? Normal reaction, tension, spring force, frictional force are the example of contact forces. Non-contact forces are gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, nuclear force. These are the types of forces. Now, what is the normal reaction? Normal reaction. What is the normal reaction? What is its direction? Normal reaction is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Let us consider this is the floor or ground. This is the floor surface. Okay, sir. When a body is kept on the floor or a block of mass m is kept on the floor. So here, this is the contact surface. So here, this is the contact, point of contact. Here, normal reaction is normal to the surface. It is normal to surface. And away from it. That means here, what is the normal reaction act here? Normal reaction on block, on surface. On block, here normal reaction away, normal direction, this. Normal reaction on the floor also acts. Which side? Exactly opposite side. So here this N is normal reaction on the block. This N is normal reaction on the surface. Normal reaction on the block is normal reaction on the block. On the block is vertically upward here. For this case, this side. Okay, sir. So here normal reaction on surface, normal reaction on the surface of the floor is so vertically down. Okay, sir, this is the one example. Okay, then so let us consider an inclined plane. This is the inclined plane. So here this is a fixed inclined plane where a block is kept on this surface. Sir, it slide, no problem, slide or whatever may be. So here kept like this. What happened? So here this is the surface now, contact surface. Normal reaction on this block is normal to away, exactly normal to the surface. Perpendicular to the surface. This N is normal reaction on the block. Normal reaction on inclined plane is this side, sir. Okay. Is it okay? Right? So, sir, here let us consider a circular path. So here this is the one surface. Surface is like this. So here when a block is kept on this arc of circle, suppose one sphere is there. On sphere of one, another block, the block is kept. What is the normal reaction on this? We know that what is normal reaction normal to the surface now? That means here this line is drawn. This is perpendicular to when it is this line is passing through center of circle. It is perpendicular to the surface. That's why a normal reaction on the block is this side, sir. On the block this side. On curved surface is which side? Towards center of circle. So here this is the normal reaction. Next, here tension. What is the tension? Tension in the string. First write it. Tension, capital T. Tension in the string. Tension in the string or rope or rod or chain. So here what is the tension in the string? What is the direction of tension in the string? So listen students, let us consider this is the fixed support. A block is suspended by means of this string. This is the string. So mass of the block is M. So I want tension at this point and at this point. I want tension on lower point and top point. So here what is the direction of the tension? We want direction of the tension. The direction of tension is direction of tension in the string away from the point. Suppose here I want tension here. Tension away from this point. Away from this point means this side. Tension T. Here sir, tension is away from this point means this side. So okay, then get two blocks are connected with a string. This is the one string. So here block of mass M1, suppose M2. Here we apply a force F. So here it is smooth. The blocks are moving this side, no problem. So I want a direction of tension. I want tension at this point. Away means this side. Tension T1. What is the tension at this point? This sides are away. Why is here tension T1? For a same string, tension remains same. String change, tension change. String change, tension change. Otherwise, tension remains same. So for a given string, here to here same string is there, tension is same. Here T1, here also T1, at this point also T1. String is nothing but inextensible, massless, remains taut. Inextensible, massless string. That's why tension is remains same across all this one. So what about here? Tension is here. Away from it, this point, this side. Okay, better. So here T1 sir, what about here? Another string is there now. Take 2, T2. Tension in the string. Okay, then next let us consider this is the one block. A block 10 kg. Another block of mass 5 kg sir. Okay. 10 kg, 5 kg. I want direction of tension at this point and at this point and this point. Point A, point B, point C. Direction of tension. Direction of tension away from it. This side sir. Take P2. At this point sir, T1, here T2, T1. Same string, tension same. So here tension T2. Okay. What about here? T2, sir. This is the direction of the tension. Okay. Then next, suppose a block left like this, another block here. Its weight acting vertically downward. Okay, sir. I want tension here. Tension this side, sir. Here tension this side. At this point tension away, sir, T2. At this point, sir, T2 this side. Okay. Then this is the tension in the string. Suppose let us consider a pulley, massless pulley. Which pulley? Massless pulley. Massless pulley. Massless and frictionless. Massless pulley, massless and frictionless. Okay, sir. And that means here it is ideal pulley. The string is passing over here, pulley. This end is a mass M1. This end is mass M2. Are suspended. So, smooth pulley. I want here tension, sir. So, here to here is same string now. That's why tension here. T, sir. At this point, better. T only, sir. So, what about here tension? Away from this one. This side, sir. Here, better. This side. So, I want tension here. Away from it, towards it. Away from it, that side. T dash. So here this is the direction of the